The DMN will form a digital manufacturing network that integrates research and development, human resources, and organizations with a new perspective to solve these social issues. Printed electronics has simplified the manufacturing process to a pure additive method, enabling device manufacturing with 1/10 the amount of water used in the past. Electronic circuits drawn on film by inkjet technology are formed three-dimensionally, reducing the number of parts, weight, and assembly workload. "3D printing technology is evolving at a rapid pace and will revolutionize manufacturing in the future. It will enable manufacturing with a high degree of freedom, such as complex shapes, urgent production, and on-demand manufacturing that does not require inventory." Since the entire garment is knitted three-dimensionally directly from the knitting machine, there are no post-processes such as sewing or stitching, eliminating the need for sewing personnel. There is no material cut loss, and the yarn can be easily recycled once unraveled. There is no need for prospective production, as only as much as needed is produced. This results in minimal inventory and eliminates mass disposal. These three technologies replace the transportation of goods with data communication. They will revolutionize the entire supply chain, including logistics and distribution. Digital transformation has made people's lives better in every way. The integration of advanced technologies revolutionizes the manufacturing process. On-demand production and small lot production enable flexible response to individual needs. In addition, by integrating multiple functions, various processes can be made more efficient, such as reducing the number of parts and weight. These three digital technologies are evolving at an accelerated pace. We will further accelerate our efforts to achieve a sustainable society. Yamagata University will collaborate with companies through the DMN to solve issues facing society and business and drive innovation with three cutting-edge digital technologies at the core.